So in the second program, we have to connect to the connecting to database different types of Tableau joins. So you should be having the Tableau in your system. So once you open your Tableau workspace, so you can see the cursor, right? So you have to go to the left side in this connect panel. You can see the Microsoft Excel. Tap over there, and then you have to go to this. See in the desktop, you can see Tableau files. There you have to see for this Tableau join files. Tap on that and just click open. So as you can see, the files are here as open. Now to remember what you have to write in your exam booklet, so all these things you have to write. So what you did so far: first you open the app, in the left side connect panel or Microsoft Edge. You went browsed the Tableau join files, selected and opened. So what contains demographic, job title, salary. See, so you can see what and all are there in this demographic, and here job title. So if you just drag and drop this, it will show you all the demographics. So whatever you have here, so employee age and gender, employee ID, name of the employees. Then see here, all the four fields are there, right? So those four fields are here. So same way, job title, salary. So here this is nothing but what to say, connecting to database. So now we have to talk about different types of tabs. So what you have to do, as you can see here, I just dragged my cursor to the arrow mark down there. So I'll just tap on open. Now it's open. So now with demographics, what do you have to join? So I'll just drag and join. I mean drag and drop salary here. So now you can see it has created a join. So this is basically the inner join. Okay. So now I can select any type of join and put here. So if you see the inner join, what the inner join does is if there is a match in both the tables, then only it shows the files here. Okay, as you can see there are hardly only 7. Okay, so if I do left join, so it shows all the files of demographics but shows only a selected files from salary. Same thing for right, shows all the files from the salary table but only from the demographics. At the last, full auto join shows all the files if there is at least one match. Okay, so if you see here a few of the places, you can see null. That's just how it is. If there is no match, it just fills with null. Same in left and right. So as you said, it will show all the files from left, right, but there might be few places where the files are not there. So suppose in the left join, all are there from the left, but it is joined to few places where it is not there in right, so that place will be null, as you can see here. This is all the things from left here, but here this is there, matched ones are there, but the unmatched ones are filled with null. So this is all it is. Now if you have to create visualization, you just click on sheet 1, and now columns and rows are there, right? So you can drop the name of employee to columns. As you can see, better we put in rows, and then salary. So from salary, employee salary to here, or you can directly drop this also here. So two things have been joined, so I can just remove this, drag and put it out. So as you can see here, name of employee, this Angela Martin has 45,000, so and so. We can actually change the chart also like this. This is a bar chart, so automatic, so we can set it like this. Is a bar chart. Line chart, area, it's just like that. So you can see circle also it is. So this is a bar chart. So I can change the color, green, gray, anything according to my wish. So okay, so size, see, You can adjust the size. You can put the label also, what it has to. So see here, it's the name of the employee. So I can double click here, so it will rename the sheet. I can say program 2, click enter. Oh, the one thing is enough. So I had given this by mistake, right? So I'll just remove this and I'll click OK. See, done. So I can change this also. Put here like this. See, what did I just do it same, huh? Now, as you can see now, so this has so I think Kevin has no salary at all. Even Ryan and Stanley, but other employees have salary. The highest salary is 70,000 for Mitchell, I guess. See Mitchell Scott. So details, everything. This marks area, filters also we can do, but I think that's the second program. I hope this is more than enough for you to understand for second program. Actually overdid it, but still it's fine. You can see all types of charts over here. See, this one I hope was actually a good chart for highlight tables. So you can just say it shows a number. Okay, simple. There are other charts too, but anyways, fine and good. So I hope this was enough for you. See you for the program 2.